Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can type square in Word document. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to click and type X. So let me make it bigger. Okay, so now I'm going to type square. So you simply need to select this. Okay, and then you need to type. So you can see that first you need to unselect it. Okay, and make it a bigger. So let me make it a bigger first and type on this. Okay, now I'm going to type, so it is now in the square form. And the other method is to, let me show you, go and click on insert, click on equation, and here you can see the script and click on this. Now type something. So let me do that again. Insert, equation, and script, and here you can type as well. So let me show you again. Equation, script, and here you can see superscript. Click on that and type something. It will be shown as a script, superscript, square. So let me click on that and you can do that. So this is our process by which you can type square in Word document. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.